reduction reaction. C6H5 N double bond NCl reduction by using the hydrogen in the presence of SnCl2 power HCl or zinc power HCl or sodium bisulfite. These are called reduction catalyst. Reduction catalyst is what react with the benzene diacetyl chloride, autoreactor. This bond will break, this bond will break. Common hydrogen here, 4 hydrogen. The formation of C6H5, NH, NH2. This name phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine acts as a laboratory reagent. Further is for undergo reduction with zinc power HCl. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. This bond is a break to formation of C6H5 NH2 and a removal of ammonia. This name aniline. Here benzene diacetyl chloride converted into aniline. Aniline nothing but amino group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. Next reaction, coupling reaction. What is the condition for coupling reaction? Reaction involving retaining the diacetyl group. Here there are two compounds involving electron withdrawing group. Another one is a electron releasing group. This undergo coupling. This reaction follow the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Which one acts as electrophile? This compound acts as electrophile. Electron withdrawing group nothing but benzene diazonium chloride. For example, C6H5 N double bond N Cl. React with the electron releasing group. What is the electron releasing group? NH2 is a benzene. Here Cl and hydrogen can be removed as a HCl. In the presence of OH medium, temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. The formation of N double bond N, NH. This name diazo-aminobenzene. Diazo-aminobenzene. This compound further treated with H plus heated by the rearrangement. How to undergo a rearrangement? This group will give C6H5 N double bond N positive charge. This acts as a electrophile. Here nitrogen there are one number stabilized with the resonance. This become this one is electron rich species able to tonate to the electron dense species. This is a positive charge coupled with the negative charge. There is a rearrangement. Here is a hydrogen rearrangement. Final product is N double bond N benzene ring is a NH2. This name para amino azo benzene. Color is yellow dye. This reaction, another name called as a dye test. Dye test means coloring compounds. Another one, the same compound which containing the OH group and NH2. What are the different reaction takes place? Here C6H5 N2Cl in the presence of OH minus. From another side C6H5 N2Cl in the presence of H plus. H plus means acid medium, pH 4 to 5. OH means basic medium, pH equal to 9 to 10. This reaction takes place in the presence of basic medium. This reaction takes place in the presence of acidic medium. In the presence of acidic medium, diacetyl group is coupled with ortho position of the NH2 group. In the presence of alkaline medium, alkaline takes place, coupling reaction takes place, diacetyl group coupled with ortho position of the OH group. These are two different products. What is that? In the presence of OH minus, coupling reaction takes place, ortho position of the OH group. In the presence of H plus, coupling reaction takes place, ortho position of NH group. These are two different products. Another one. Here, there are two withdrawing groups, carboxylic acid, another one is sulfonic acid. If carboxylic acid or sulfonic acid present at para position of the OH group, this group can be replaced by the benzene diazonium compound. This reaction known as ipso substitution. Generally, ipso substitution reaction takes place, nucleophilic substitution reaction. But in this reaction undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. These are called benzene diazonium compounds. It's a general formula: stability, instability, preparation, physical property, chemical property. What are the important products? There are different types of naming reaction. Here, find out. Another one is a diazonium compounds. After that is a cyanide and isocyanide. Here, functional group, double bond, isocyanide functional group N double bond C. This bond is a coordinate bond. Both are XB, sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means bond angle 180. This A is an AER. These are the functional group for cyanide. This one functional group for isocyanide. What is the major importance for cyanide? Cyanide is an important intermediate in the preparation of organic compound like acids, ester, amine, alcohol, like that. This compound also it is used in preparation of or manufacture of rubber. Another one, methyl cyanide usually is a solvent for perfumery industry. This isocyanide, methyl isocyanide, it is used in preparation of methyl isocyanate. This one responsible for the Bobart tragedy in the year 1984, December 2. These are the major is what uses. Another one is a preparation. How to prepare this compound? Preparation. Yes, cyanide and isocyanates can be prepared from the hydrogen cyanide. Here, this one is a hydrogen cyanide. This hydrogen can be replaced by alkyl or aryl. There are two types. This R C double bond N, A R C double bond N. This comma. This hydrogen can be replaced by alkyl or aryl. R N double bond A R N double bond C. This bond is a coordinate. Cyanide can be attached with the alkyl or aryl group through the carbon atom or through the nitrogen atom. These two are act as a ambidextrous groups. What is the major difference between the cyanide and isocyanide? This having a highly polar nature, high dipole moment. This one is a relatively less polar nature, is a less dipole moment. This one is a readily soluble water. This one is a insoluble water. Why? Because in the nitrogen having there is no lone pair is a does not involve in the hydrogen bonding. So low boiling point, insoluble in water. This one is a highly polar nature, readily soluble in water. Carbon and nitrogen, this what sp hybridization, different electronegativity, so highly polar nature. Another one is a high dipole moment. It is a 3.4. Another one is a readily soluble in water. This one relatively low polar nature. Dipole moment is 3.02. This one is a insoluble in water. Another one is low boiling point. Why this compound low boiling point means absence of lone pair in the nitrogen atom cannot form the hydrogen bonding, so low boiling point or insoluble water. Next preparation. RX. Generally, alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction react in the presence of KCl. KCl is a ionic nature. How to split? K plus and Cn minus to formation of RCN plus KX. Here R nothing but alkyl cyanide is a Br react with potassium cyanide to formation of CH3 C double bond N plus CH3 N double bond C. There are two compounds are possible. This compound is major product. This compound is a minor product. Why? Because comparatively is what carbon-carbon bond. This bond is strong bond. Then compared to the carbon-nitrogen bond, this bond length is 146 picometer. This bond length is 160 picometer. This is major compounds. Another method, this reaction involved nucleophilic substitution reaction because this one occurs in nucleophile. Another one, industrial method. Whatever may be any carboxylic acid react with ammonia. This acid react with base into formation of salt. CH3 COO NH4. This are heated to formation of CH3 CO NH2. Removal of water molecule. Further treated with P2O5. P2O5 is a powerful dehydrating agent. It's a removal of water to formation of CH3 Cn plus H2. It's a preparation of methyl cyanide. Another method from oxide. That is CH3 CH double bond NOH. This oxide treated with the P2O5 or CH3CO twice acetic anhydride in the presence of heater. After the heating is a removal of water molecule. How to remove the water molecule? Here one hydrogen, here another one is a OH group, can be removed as a water to formation of CH3 Cn plus H2. So removal of water molecules. So another one is next from the Grignard reagent. This what is a Grignard reagent? CH3 NgBr react with Cn is a removal of this compound to formation of CH3 Cn plus Mg Br. Another one is preparation of methyl cyanide. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 method. Another method is from benzene diazonium chloride. That is C6H5 N double bond N Cl. React with cuprous cyanide in the presence of copper to formation of C6H5 Cn, removal of N2 plus Cl minus. This is a preparation of aromatic compounds. This reaction is what a preparation of is what aliphatic compound. It's alkyl group attached with a halogen to formation of methyl cyanide. This method do not prepare the phenyl cyanide. Why? Because aryl halide less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. This method do not undergo preparation of phenylcyanide. Why? Because aryl halide is what less towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are the method for preparation of alkyl cyanide. Another one is preparation of alkyl isocyanide. Here CH3Br react with the AgCN in the presence of alcohol, that is ethanol, is a heater. AgCN obtains a covalent nature. Here GaCN obtains a ionic nature. Carbon able to tonate to the carbon atom. This bond is a very strong bond. In the covalent nature, nitrogens are free to tonate to the methyl group. So formation of CH3 N triple bond C and a removal of AgBr. This name methyl isocyanide. Another one from carbonyl reaction. What is a carbonyl reaction? CH3NH2 is a bromamine. Bromamine nothing but methylamine. React with chloroform in the presence of KOH. This catalyst is removal of hydrogen to formation of CH3NC plus potassium react with chlorine is a KCl plus water. So 3 chlorine, 3 OH group is a 3 times of water. This is a methyl isocyanide. This is another method. Next from formamide. In the presence of POCl3 or pyridine C5H5N. What is the uses of this catalyst? Removal of water. Here hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen to formation of NC plus water. These are the methods for preparation of alkyl isocyanide. These are the methods for preparation of alkyl cyanide. Next, chemical properties. This alkyl isocyanide, there are two important chemical properties. First one is a hydrolysis, another one is a reduction. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis can be classified in two types: partial hydrolysis, another one is a complete hydrolysis. That is CH3, C double bond N, react with the hydrolysis in the presence of water. It is a cold concentrated HCl or cold concentrated sulfuric acid or alkaline medium of hydrogen peroxide. This catalyst is used to formation of at the stage of aldehyde. Aldehyde, that is what? Amide. CH3, C double bond O, NH2. This name acetamide. This name methyl cyanide. Another one is a complete hydrolysis. It is a CH3, C double bond N, plus H2O in the presence of water. Key point is boiling. This reaction takes place at a cold condition. This reaction takes place boil condition. Boil condition form at the stage of amide is what boil condition form is a carboxylic acid. This bond break, oxygen, hydrogen, CH3, C double bond O, NH2. Further undergo acid hydrolysis H plus, this bond break OH, H. So CH3, COOH plus ammonia. This method partially hydrolysis EDC to preparation of acetamide. Complete hydrolysis EDC to preparation of acetic acid. Removal of what gas? Maybe ask one more question. Removal of ammonia gas. Second one is reduction. That is first one is partial reduction. By using the catalyst SnCl2 for HCl. This reaction known as Stephen reaction. How does this reaction takes place? This reaction is to preparation of aldehyde. That is CH3, C double bond N converted into CH3, CHO. SnCl2 react with the HCl to formation of SnCl4 plus removal of hydrogen. 2 hydrogen, 2 times. This hydrogen react with methyl cyanide. CH3C triple bond N hydrogen 2 times. This bond undergo break, hydrogen, hydrogen. In the presence of this catalyst SnCl2 or HCl, this one dissolved in ether. This reaction takes place in the ether medium. Why? Because cyanide dissolved in ether to formation of CH3, CH double bond NH, HCl. Imine acts as intermediate. Further is a hydrolysis. That is a key bond is a boiling. This bond break, oxygen and hydrogen. Removal of ammonium chloride, formation of acetaldehyde. Ammonium chloride. So one more method, dibond. Dibond nothing but di-isobutyl aluminum hydride. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, twice Al. This catalyst, whatever may be any alkyl cyanide or ester converted into aldehyde. It is also what? Partial reduction. Another one is a complete reduction. CH3, C double bond N, reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethanol. Here this bond break, hydrogen, hydrogen, this bond break, hydrogen, hydrogen to formation of CH3, CH2, NH2. This name bromramine. Nitrogen carrying is a 2 hydrogen bromramine, common name ethylamine. This reaction known as a Mendius reaction. What is a Mendius reaction? Cyanide is what converted into CH2, NH2. This is known as a complete complete reduction of is a alkyl cyanide. Next chemical properties of alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide, there are three important is a chemical property. First one is hydrolysis, another one is reduction, another one is addition reaction. CH3N triple bond C. This undergo hydrolysis in the presence of H+. How does this reaction takes place? Nitrogen which carrying the positive charge, carbon which carrying the negative charge. How to split H plus and OH minus. Here carbon electron rich species is able to attract the hydrogen to formation of CH3N. H is a positive charge. Next attack by the nucleophile from the carbon. This can be replaced to formation of CH3N double bond C OH group, here hydrogen. This compound is unstable compound. This undergo tautomerism. This bond is shifted here. This word go away. So CH3N H C double bond O is a hydrogen. Further, this one is what hydrolysis. Hydrogen here OH group. CH3NH2 plus formic acid. This method it is used to preparation of pyramidamine. Pyramidamine depends upon the number of carbon atom. Isocyanide will give the carboxylic acid, this name formic acid. Another one is a reduction. CH3N triple bond C reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethanol. This bond break, hydrogen substitute to formation of CH3NH CH3. It's a secondary amine. Alkyl cyanide undergo reduction to formation of pyramidamine. Alkyl isocyanide undergo reduction in formation of secondary amine. Secondary amine name is a dimethylamine. Third one is addition reaction. CH3N triple bond C react with sulfur or ozone or mercury chloride to formation of CH3N double bond C double bond S. This one formation of CH3N double bond C double bond O. This one formation of CH3N double bond C double bond O plus Hg2. This name methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide is responsible for the cobalt tragedy in the year 1984 December 2. These are the chemical properties of alkyl isocyanide. Let us recap the preparation of diazoline salt. First one is general formula: stability, instability, preparation, physical property, chemical property. These are the naming reaction. All the reaction undergo aromatic, electrophilic substitution reaction. Another one is cyanide and isocyanide. What is the major difference between a cyanide and isocyanide? Cyanide undergo readily soluble water. Isocyanide is insoluble water because of absence of lone pair on the nitrogen atom. These are the major difference between cyanide and alkyl cyanide. Preparation, physical property, chemical property. How to practice all the organic compound. Organic compound is a volatile nature to achieve the final. Is a good luck.